This is the Nepal border for you all. Now we have reached Jalpokri. So here is the international border to Nepal. Now we have reached the Gopaldhara tea garden. We have reached the Mirik Lake site. Good morning internet, it is I don't know which time. We just got call from our hotel manager. Currently we are at Darjeeling. We got a call to see the Kanchenjunga range which is now visible, so have a watch of the Kanchenjunga range. Hardly people gets to see every day, so we are lucky enough to see. It is raining all around, but still the Kanchenjunga range is visible from here, so have a watch. So there behind you can see this is the Kanchenjunga range. So I will zoom it for you and watch. So there you can see that is the Kanchenjunga range. It is not easy to see it, but still today it is visible. There is the Kanchenjunga range. So now I am again going to sleep. I'll meet you after some time.
The summer's calling.
Good morning internet, good morning once again. And today morning I have shown you the clip of the view of Kanchenjunga as much as possible. We were sleeping deep asleep. One of our friend went outside and told us, see, the Kanchenjunga range is being visible because the clouds are moved now. It is not visible. So we are lucky enough to get a glimpse of the Kanchenjunga range. So now it is quite late, nearly around 9:30. We have to pick up a bike and then go to Mirik site. So let's see, we are running 2 to 3 hours late. Hopefully we can explore something. So welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, do like the video. And if you haven't yet watched the previous videos of our North Bengal trip, please do give a watch. So now let's continue. Let's all of our friends get ready. Then I will continue after we get out of the hotel. Before going out, let me show you the view from our stay. There is the green mountains and see the clouds over there. Today morning it was raining, that's why we were late. Let's see the clouds. It is looking like white cotton candy. And there is the Darjeeling main town from here, just 2 to 3 kilometers from here. And there is the main road the cars are going. From there we will take a taxi and go to them.
As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can.
So this is the St. Andrew's Church, and now we are heading towards the Darjeeling Mall. The weather is totally cloudy. Let's check out the houses over there. The taxi left us nearly 2 kilometers before the Darjeeling Mall, and the roads are quite steep. All are out of breath. Now we are heading towards the bike rental office to pick up the bikes, and it is around 10:40 now. Hopefully we will leave from here at around 11. So now let's go. But the weather is perfect, but still, since we are walking too much, we are feeling very hot. We have picked up the bike. Now we're leaving for Mirik. So first we have to fill the petrol, then we will leave. So we have to find a petrol pump. So the helmet is quite awkward. currently stopped at Goom to have our breakfast. Will be having momo and chow mein. Parked the bikes over here. So Goom station is, you saw before in this video, is in front of me, and now it is around 30 kilometers Jalpokri. So after that we will be going to the tea garden and all. So stay tuned. And since I am riding the bike and I don't have any action camera, so the road vlog will be coming less. So just bear with that.
सफर कैसा है ये सफर, मंजिलों की न है कोई खबर। सफर कैसा है ये सफर, मंजिलों की न है कोई खबर। रास्तों से मेरी गहरी यारी हो गई, जो फर्ज से भरा था बस्ता वो भी खाली हो गया। बुरा है जमाना तू चल डगर न कर अगर मगर, कैसा है ये सफर, मंजिलों की न है कोई खबर। सफर कैसा है ये सफर, मंजिलों की न है कोई खबर। सफर
Now we have reached Jalpokri. This is the Jalpokri behind, and we will be going at that spot over there. Click some photos and leave for Mirik or some. We were planning to go to the Nepal border. So here is the Jalpokri for you all.
पैरों को बांधे बेड़िया।
There are some swans over there. Here is some fruiting. There's fish also over there, big fishes. And there is the bike parked. So we have taken one Dominar 400, another Avenger 220. This costed 1000 rupees and this costed 1200 rupees without fuel. So this was the information that I had to give you. This is the Dominar 400 217 model. The bike condition is not that much good, but it is manageable.
बताए सौ कहानियां, तू रोशनी तू रंग है, तू उड़ रही।
While coming on the road, I was not able to vlog, but Chirojit helped me record the road video. It was totally cloudy on the
And risky too.
Risku too. So you saw the clouds over there, but the weather is perfect, chilled weather. Not that much hot, not that much cold. Also in the morning it was quite chilly.
पतंग है बना है तू ढाने का, सब आसमान है तो इस ज़माने का फैसला।
Just see the clouds going there. You can see that part. We are just between the clouds only. You can see.
गुजर ऐसी राह से गुजर।
Now it's time to leave this place. This is Nepal and this is India. This is the border. We won't take the risk of going in on this off-road because we have shortage of time also. So if we had time in hand, we should have gone there. But still, this is the view from here. There is the Nepal and here is India. So this is the Shimana viewpoint and there you can see the Nepal border behind. So let's go there and show you how it's still looking. We already saw in the first class while coming on the road. It is looking quite magnificent. So here for you all. So there is the border. You can see that is a Nepal and here is India. Now we are leaving the Nepal border viewpoint. That is the Shimana viewpoint. So now next we are going to the tea garden. Hope you all like this view from here. So let's go. Currently we just stopped at Pashupati Fatak. So here is the international border to Nepal. Okay, actually you can't take your vehicle there. You can go by walking and visit the market. So since we are running late, we are skipping this plan. So now we're directly heading towards the tea garden, then to Meri.
चल ढूंढ लाए
Now we have reached the Gopaldhara tea garden. There is a small trek to the garden area and you have to climb up to go there.
भूल जाए फासले दरमियां किसने बनाया दस्तूर ऐसा.
So there is the tea garden starting from here. This is going to be my first time inside a tea garden. Both sides is the tea gardens.
राजा इश्क जैसा कहते हैं जो पन्ने होते नहीं पूरे करते बहुत कुछ बयां मिल जाऊंगा तुझसे फिर उन किताबों में हो जहां जिक्र तेरा तू.
So other two people didn't climb up. They are quite lazy, too much lazy. So we just came here. So fresh smell is coming. Perfect weather. You can see the lighting, how good it is coming. And now we are leaving Gopaldhara tea garden. This was all from the tea garden. There are more, but we didn't went too much because we have still many things to cover in one day. So now let's go and see the viewpoint from up of the Gopaldhara tea garden.
जीना सिखाया मजबूर जैसा आंखें मेरी सपना तेरा सपने सुबह शाम है तू है सही या मैं हूँ सही, किस पे ये इल्जाम है? आंखें मेरी सपना तेरा, सपने सुबह शाम है। तू है सही या मैं हूँ सही, किस पे ये इल्जाम है? ऐसी लगन बांधे हुए हूँ मैं खड़ा अब वहाँ, जिस छोर पे था छूटा मेरा हाथों से तेरे हाथ। जिसने हंसाया, जिसने रुलाया, जीना सिखाया, मजबूर जैसा जाना है जा, है किसने रोका? हीरा और रांझा ये इश्क जैसा। तू मैं और तू, मैं और तू।
We have reached Mirikta. This is the town all around, and it is around 3:33. We will stay here more nearly around 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll leave for Darjeeling. So this is the town. Let's see what can be explored over here. We are waiting for our friends to reach, and then we will decide. We have parked our bikes over there, and we have to walk there. We have reached the Mirik Lakeside, and actually we have not reached. We have parked our bike over there. Jigasha kaun hai? At that point, we just parked. Again, we went to another park to park. We were confused in which part we are going. Monastery over there. I am not sure about the name of the monastery, but this is the Mirik Lake, fully covered by trees, and it is quite chill over here. So this is going to be the last sightseeing for today, and it is nearly around 4-6. After a few hours the sun will set, and then it will be a problem to ride because of the cold weather, because our helmet don't have a front visor. That's the main disadvantage. But while coming we put on our sunglasses. So that was all our short stay at Mirik. Now we have to leave, so we'll directly head towards Darjeeling, and then we have plans to have our evening time snacks at Glenadis. So this was all for this video. If you like this video for whatsoever reason, please do give the video a like, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Hope you all like this tour of North Bengal. So bye bye.